Hey everyone, come back at you with another video. Just wanted to touch base with y'all because I've had a couple problems with this actuator on the Go Rhino Sports Bar 2.0. It's failed on me a couple times, so I've had to replace it. It's a pretty easy replacement. You just unscrew here, unscrew it from the frame of the sports bar here, and the bracket will come off on the inside, and so there's another bolt going through right here. You'll have to take that out and just replace it. I would recommend that you take pictures to get the washers and stuff back in the correct order. Put a lubrication on it so it lubricates, it functions, actuates easy. As far as the sports bar goes, I've had it now for about 8 years. It's starting to weather a little bit, as you can see, and there is some rust. Nothing major, there's a little bit of rust. This hasn't been washed up or detailed or anything in a while, so it looks a little puny at the moment, but it's still holding up good. Just I'll put links and stuff down at the bottom if you need to get you an actuator. You'll have a good one.